What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a quick review over these Air Jordan 1 Fearless, and I'm gonna let you guys know why I will not be able to do it on feet today, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We're gonna get right into it, man. Let's get it. All right, before we get into this review, man, I want to tell you how the day went. So I went to Shoe Palace to do this little live raffle, and the day they started at 8 o'clock. Usually they start at 9 o'clock if I'm not mistaken. So I went up there, you know what I'm saying, chilling, driving. I was like, I still got time to put in for a raffle and stuff like that. So I was like, man, I should be able to hit on a pair size 9. And then I get there and they already started the raffle, but they had like 50 pairs in, and I was like the last one in line. So when I got to line, they still had like 6 or 7 pairs left, but they only had a 10.5 and up, man. So you already know your boy cannot rock with a 10.5 or a 10 at all, man. Like, it's too big. I even tried to like stretch my feet to try to do anything I can just to put this shoe on. And I don't know, I just really like this shoe, and I try my best to get it today. And I also hit on a size 13 at another Shoe Palace, which is not my size. So I'm kind of just accepting my L right now. And I even try to go to like City Gear. I try to go to Hibbett Sports. Hibbett Sports said they didn't get the shoes at all, and then City Gear said they only had a size 11 and up. So it's like, man, the size 9, size 8.5, size 9.5, those sizes are always going first. You can even see a whole bunch of people like having their kids, their wives getting like 6, 7 pairs, and it's just like kind of fucked up, man. I really wanted my size, 9, so now I'm gonna have to go sell these, try to get however much money I can for these, and then just put it up for my Air Jordan 1 Fearless, man, because I gotta have this in the collection. Just for now, I guess I'm gonna keep these until I get my size 9. I don't know, just to look at, I guess. These things are super dope. I was highly upset that I was not able to cop my size 9, man. So with all that little ranting out of the way, we're gonna jump right into this quick review over these Air Jordan 1 Fearless, man. Let's get it. All right, so for the box, check it out. Let me turn the brightness down for you guys so you can get a nice little look. This red box got the Nike on top right there. Check it out. Got the Nike going across the swoosh. And you have the size tag right here. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Fearless. Retail $160, and the fish colorway is white, black, and university blue. Like I said, your boy got it in a size 10.5, man. I can't rock with it. I wish I could. Size 10.5 is always the lowest, and 11 on like the resale market. So if I wore size 10, I could definitely, you know what I'm saying, squeeze in these, or I could definitely hit on all the future releases. It's just that size 9 is just so hard to come by, I guess, and everybody wants a size 9. So let me pull the box open. Check out the paper right here. It says limits like fears are often just an illusion. All over the paper right here. I'm gonna hit you guys with some nice B-roll so you can check it out. We're gonna peel it open. There's some other white tissue paper, and then we have the other Air Jordan 1 Fearless, man. Check it out. Very dope shoe. When I was telling you guys in the How to Cop video, I seen these before they even released, and they had like this yellowish wings logo right there, and I thought that was very dope. And like I said, it reminded me of this Air Jordan 1 mid that dropped a long time ago. I couldn't get it, but I did see it on somebody's feed, and I just remembered that little wings logo being yellow, and I like it like that. Also inside the box, you get this little tag right here from Jordan Brand. Got fear right here crossed out, and on this side it says limits like fears are often just an illusion. I like the presentation. I like how they did it, and they gave it to us for $160. All this little extra stuff like this, and like this little wings logo right here, hang tag. We got this all for retail. You didn't have to pay any extra. So I think that was very dope on how they kept it $160, man. So shouts out to Jordan Brand for that. All right, that's it for the inside of the box. We're gonna talk about this shoe just real quick, man. So like I said, it came with a little fear wings logo, and it has the same little quote on the back right here. Check it out, with Michael Jordan's signature right here. And of course, got the fear crossed out. On the tongue right here, as you can see, you got Nike Air in the red. And of course, this is an all over patent leather. For me seeing the pictures early and stuff like that, I thought it was gonna be a leather, like a regular leather right here, like a tumble leather, and then like a tumble leather on the toe box, but it kept it all over patent leather, just like the gold toe ones, man. So I like it. I would rather have just some regular leather on the toe box and the side panels, man. Check out the black Nike shoes going around the whole shoe right here. And of course, you got the UNC blue on the back, and then you have the Chicago colorway on the front, man. Check it out. And these already came laced with the black laces. And attached to the other shoe, you have the other laces that come with it, man. You got an extra pair of UNC blue, and you have an extra pair of Chicago red, man. So me, when I get my pair, I'm definitely gonna stick with the white. They did not come with white laces, but I seen somebody have them on feet with white laces, and I thought those were very dope. So your boy will be adding white laces in mine, man. I might dibble and dab between UNC blue and the red, but I gotta have it pop. That black is just gonna sit right on the tongue, and you ain't gonna be able to, you know what I'm saying, get that nice vibrant pop to it. So definitely try to throw in one of these laces, maybe even mix match them. That would look very dope in my opinion. But me, I'm gonna definitely rock with the white laces, man. On the inside of the shoe, something else I wanted to point out. Okay. So they did come with extra laces right here. Check it out. White laces. They was stuck under the shoe tree in here. So it did come with white laces. So your boy, like I said, when I get my pair, I'm definitely gonna be adding the white laces in my shoe, man. I cannot wait to get them. And we're gonna check out the insole real quick, man. Of course, come with a regular shoe tree, and then on the inside it has fear, and it has that quote all inside of the shoe. All right, that is it for this quick review over these Air Jordan 1 Fearless, man. Let me know right now in the comment section below if you copped. Let me know if you took a big L like me today. At least I did get a pair in hand so I can review for you guys. Just won't be on feet today, which kind of sucks. But like I said, let me know how you did today in the comment section below. Like the video right now if you have not liked the video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, man. Follow me over on IG at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.